Consider first example, y square minus 2xy plus 6 dx minus x square minus 2xy plus 2 dy equal to 0. We compare this equation with standard form m dx plus n dy equal to 0, so that m is y square minus 2xy plus 6x and n is minus x square plus 2xy minus 2. Now we check the condition for exactness. Let us find partial derivative of m with respect to y. It is 2y minus 2x, and partial derivative of n with respect to x, it is minus 2x plus 2y. So this is same as del n by del x. So this differential equation is an exact differential equation. Now we find solution of this differential equation. The solution is given by integral m dx, where we keep y constant, plus integral n dy, where we choose the terms in n which are free from x. Terms free from x is equal to constant of integration. So let us see. Integral m dx y square minus 2xy plus 6x dx, plus we consider terms in n which are free from x. So there is only one term which is free from x. It is minus 2. So minus 2 dy equal to c. In the first integral we keep y constant, so that this is y square into integration of 1, so it is y square x, minus 2y integration of x is x square by 2, plus 6 x square by 2, and this is minus 2y equal to c. Therefore our solution is xy square minus x square y plus 3x square minus 2y equal to c. This is the required solution. Let us see another example. Two times ax plus by plus z into dx plus 2cy plus bx plus e dy equal to 0, where a, b, g, c and e, these are constants. So this is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0, that is m is 2ax plus by plus z and n is 2cy plus bx plus E. Now we check whether this differential equation is exact. So let us find out partial derivative of m with respect to y. It is b, and partial derivative of n with respect to x, it is again b. So del m by del y is same as del n by del x. This means given differential equation is exact. Now to find solution of this differential equation, the formula is integrate m with respect to x keeping y constant plus integrate those terms in n which are free from x. Integration is with respect to y equal to constant of integration. This becomes integration of 2ax plus by plus z dx plus integration of terms in n which are free from x. So there are two terms, 2cy plus e dy equal to c. This is a x square by 2 into 2, so it is ax square plus b and y both are constants here, byx plus zx plus this is 2cy square by 2, so cy square plus ey equal to, I should write here c1 because c is already there, so constant of integration let us write as c1. This is general solution of given differential equation.